Hello, so welcome once again to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create layers in AutoCAD and also how you can use these layers in your drawings. And I'm going to demonstrate that using these simple geometries I have here on the screen. So here is a square, here is a circle, and here a triangle, and you can see that they are all dimensioned. Okay, so I'm now going to show you step by step on how to create these layers and also how you can apply them doing your drawings. So let's now get started. Alright, so to access the layers panel of the window, you can simply type L and click on layers. That's the layers window. Alternatively, you can go straight to the panel on the ribbon, click on layers, then click on layer properties. So you still have the same window coming up. Now you can see here that I already have two layers, one 0 and another one depth points. These are the layers created by AutoCAD. But here I'm going to create my own layers, and here I have 4 of them. Here I have dimension, here is a square, here a circle, and here a triangle. So I have to start to create my own layers right here. So what I do here is come over and click on this button. This is new layer. Click on new layer. You can see a new layer 1 has appeared there. You can also choose your layer by right click and click new layer. Okay, so on this layer 1, I have to change the name layer 1 to square. So click on this and type square. Okay, that's done. Again, I have to create another layer for the circle. So click again, new layer, and change the name to circle. Then create another layer for the triangle. Now click new layer again and enter triangle. Okay, so I have to create a new layer again for dimension. So click on new layer and change the name again to dimension. Okay. Right, so I have now created all the layers. So the next I will do now is to begin to assign each of these components to the layers. So what I'll do here now is to begin to assign these components I have here to layers. So what I do next is come over here on the layers panel, click here. Now you can see here, when you click on this arrow, you will now see the names of the layers I have created. Here you can see the square, the triangle, the dimension, and the circle. Okay, so to assign these dimensions to a layer, what I'll do, click all the dimensions, then come over to the layers panel, click on this arrow, then click on dimensions. Okay, so these dimensions now have been assigned to a layer. Okay, exit. Now, so this is the square I have to assign it to a layer. So highlight it, come again over to the layers and click on this arrow again. Now, while this is still highlighted, now click on square. Okay, so this square has been assigned to that layer. So come again over here, click on the circle, come over again to the layers panel, click on this arrow, and click on circle. Okay, so circle has been assigned to that layer. Now I have triangle left, so click on the triangle, come over here again on panel, click on this arrow, and assign that to triangle. That's triangle. Okay. So all these 4 components now have been assigned to layers. Okay, so having done this, I can now make changes on these components right on the layers window. So we'll come over here again to to layers. You can see here I have the square, I have the circle, the triangle, and also dimension. Now, for instance, let's now come onto the square. This is the square. I can make changes on this component now, right from this window. Now, I can turn off the square. If I switch it off, you can see that that square is off. I can turn it on again by clicking on this button. It's on. So again, I can freeze. This button represents freeze. You can see that is freeze. Freeze. When I click on this button, now you can see again that that goes off. The square goes off. So it does the same thing with this button to turn it on and off. Let's return it back. So click on this to return it back. Okay, it has been unfreeze now, so it is now back in position. Now, this is lock. I want to lock the component. You don't want to move it around when you're doing other drawings. I have to click on this button. This is lock key. On the lock, you can see that it's locked, so you cannot move it around. You can't make any adjustment on this component because it is locked. So let's go back again to the window. Now unlock it. I have to unlock. Okay, so I can now move it around. See, you can move the component around. Now go back again and I will show you some other things you can do on the square. Again, this is for the plotter. If I want to plot the drawing, for instance, and I do not want the square to appear on my plot, all I need to do here is to switch it off from click on this button, and when I'm plotting, that square will not come on. So when it is turned on, I will not plot or print out the square when I'm printing my drawing. So let's remove that. Now again, I can change the color of that square. When you click on this button, I can see that the select color box has come on. So here you can change the color of the square to whatever color of your choice. Let's make it blue, for instance, and enter. You can see that the color has changed. So you can change the color also from the layers window. Now here again, you can also change the line width, line type. I can choose the type of line I want here. So when you click on the line type, this window comes up and you can now select the type of line you want. If the type of line you want is not available here, you can load the lines. Come here, click on load, select the type of line you want. For instance, let's choose this and click OK and click OK again. So you now see that the line has changed. And again, here I have the line width. Here you can change the thickness of the line. When you click on this for the square, now you can now select the thickness of the line width. Let's change the thickness. Let's choose this, for instance, and click OK. Now click on the line width button down here to make it reflect. You can see that the thickness of the line has now come up. Okay, so lastly, here I have description. Now when you click on this for the square, you can describe the square or give it any name you want to give it. For instance, let's call this one green square. And just type green square. Okay, so let's now come over to the circle and do one or two things there. For the circle, let's change the line width. This is line width. Change the line width of the circle. So click on line width. Click here. Let's also choose the thickness for it. Let's make this the thickness. Click OK. Okay, so the thickness has come on. Let's now change the color and give it red color. Let's change the color to red. So this is the circle command. Click on this and let's make the color red. Click OK. Okay, so again, let's do some changes on the triangle as well. So come over to the triangle layer. Let's also change the thickness. This is the line width. Click on triangle and click on the line width and choose a line width for it. Let's make it 0.3 as well. Then click OK. Also change the color. Let's make it maybe green. Okay, so it is done. Alright, so this is how you create the layers and also assign every component of the drawings to these layers. So thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe for more of my tutorials.